appreciation to our sponsor, Pacific Paint Boys and Philippines team. Pakpakan natin. Come on guys! Pakpak for Boys and... Okay, okay. Ganun pa ba? Okay, 40. Okay, pasadahan na namin yung raffle Okay, for raffle for developmental.
Ay, wala yung sauce.
Ano muna? First item, vacuum. Portable vacuum cleaner. The portable vacuum cleaner goes to... Johnny Abasoda. Johnny Abasoda, raffle winner. Susunod na to guys ha. Number 2. Oh, next. Our second raffle winner. Cordless mini screwdriver. Goes to DJ Galuso, architect. Next. Okay, third raffle winner, cordless mini screwdriver goes to... Wala na ako eh. Number 3. Daryl Gadia of Permaco. Raffle winner. Punta na po. Maniningil na po ito. Ito na yung okay, our major raffle winner. Here we go for developmental. Sian Balbido. Electric fan. Industrial floor fan. Wait, Sian, wait. Okay lang, wait. Congratulations!
Pero ito yung ikot, yun yung electric fan. True.
Congratulations! Okay na. Okay,
Ay, mga
wait.
banners nyo?